Hello, this is an Excel spreadsheet called Element Design. Can be used to design slab, beams, and columns to BS 8110. Pre-calculation of design moments for slab and beam is required to complete design. Also, for column design to complete, you need to input axial load. To design slabs, click on the Slab tab. Changeable parameters are in blue. Slab parameters required include design moment, which has to be calculated, redistribution factor, span, height, bar size, cover, strength and factor of safety of concrete and steel. Design of a simply supported slab. The treated example can be found in page 187 of the book titled Reinforced Concrete Design by Mosley and Bungay, 5th edition. The slab is 210 mm thick with a span of 4.5 meters. It has calculated design moment of 33.4 kN. Other parameters can be seen in the question. Inputting these parameters into the spreadsheet, we get a calculated area of steel, which is very similar to calculated result in example. Design of simply supported beam. To design beams, click on the rectangular beam or T-beam tab. Now, choosing another example from the same textbook on page 149, the beam has a height and breadth of 550 by 230 millimeters respectively, and a calculated design moment of 165 kN. Inputting these parameters into the spreadsheet gives us an area of steel of 846 millimeters squared, which is very close to the one from the textbook. To design columns, click on the Column tab. There we see parameters used to design column. The column axial load and moments would have been calculated previously based on your drawings. After inputting parameters, check Output section to view steel provided.